In order to upload videos to these websites and get thousands and even millions of views, you can get videos that have proven to be successful from here and re-upload them under this usage claim right here. First, you just need to go right. Hello and welcome to today's video where I'll be showing you a few different websites where you'll be able to upload simple videos and earn passive income as a result. I'll also show you how to easily create your own videos without filming anything, showing your face, using your own voice, and I'll even show you one method where you'll be able to just download and re-upload videos at the end of this video. So be sure to focus and stay tuned till the very finish. You'll also be able to put the same videos on each of these websites and multiply your earnings as a result. So let's get straight into it. So first I want to say that you can upload any type of videos on these websites. So whatever you're most interested in or passionate about, you can choose to create videos in that niche. The first website I'd like to show you is one called jettv.co. It should look something like this, where it will say get monetized today and a form for you to fill out to create your own free account and be able to get monetized. So you'll just want to fill out all of this basic personal information here, then check this box to agree to the terms of use and privacy policy. Then click this button to complete creating your account. After you've signed up, this is what the main homepage should look like. This website is based in India, so most of the creators are from India, but this website works for everyone worldwide. So in order to upload a video, you'll just want to click this button right here that says upload, which will redirect you to this page where you can select a video to begin uploading. So just click here and choose a file of yours to upload. While the video is uploading, you will want to fill out all of this information like the title, the description. After that is adding a thumbnail. You can use canva.com to create a thumbnail, which is completely free. Category of your video. The privacy, you'll just select public because that's how you'll be able to monetize your videos. The age restriction, you can select all ages if it's kid-friendly content that you're uploading. If it's not, you can select 18+. And then for the tags, you'll want to write any keywords that are related to the content of your video. And make sure to add as many as possible here. And then you'll earn this much money for each advertisement click you get from your videos. The second website I'll show you is one called rumble.com. And in order to be able to get your videos monetized, you will have to be patient because the moderators of the website must review your videos to see if it's not violating any guidelines in their website. And if you'd like to review their guidelines, you can check that out on their website. But if you are familiar with YouTube's guidelines, they are essentially the same. The next website I will show you is one called dailymotion.com. Most videos that are uploaded on Dailymotion are news videos, and you can see that these videos are generating millions of views on a monthly basis. The types of videos you can add on this website that are likely to perform the best would either be news videos, compilation videos, or top 10 videos. Now, the best website you can use to upload videos and generate money, in my opinion, is youtube.com. There are a few reasons why I believe YouTube is the best. First of all, it is, after Google, the second most popular search engine or website worldwide. It's also the most popular video-based platform in the world. It has several different ways that you can monetize your channel. The most common way is through ad revenue, but you will need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, which can take a while to achieve. But one amazing way you can immediately monetize your channel is through affiliate marketing. Now that you know which websites are best for uploading videos to get paid, I want to show you a few very simple methods in creating videos yourself without showing your face, using your voice, or not having to create the videos yourself for one of the methods. The first method is by using a website called pexels.com. This website allows you to download high-quality, royalty-free stock videos and photos to use for any videos of your own. All you need to do is search any keyword and thousands of different videos will show up that you can browse through and download for yourself to use. And in order to compile and edit all of these videos together into one, you can use a software called OpenShot Video Editor. Just search that into Google, click this link here, and the website will look like this. You can download it by clicking this button here. Now the next method for you to create videos is by downloading videos straight from YouTube to then re-upload for yourself. In order to do this, you will want to first go to YouTube, search any keyword related to the type of videos you are trying to upload, then click on filters here and select Creative Commons. You want to make sure that you select Creative Commons, as that will allow you to legally download and re-upload any videos of your choosing. So after you've browsed through some videos and selected one, you will want to copy the video URL here, then head over to this website called yt5s.com. This website will allow you to download any YouTube video you'd like for you to then re-upload anywhere you'd like. So you'll just paste the URL in this box here, then click this button that says Start, then click Get Link here, then finally click Download to download the YouTube video to your device. The next method you can use is to use a website called invideo.com. This website is amazing because it will do most of the work for you. You will first want to create an account by clicking on this button here and filling in all of the required information. After you've done that and logged into your account, you will just want to click this option right here that says Text to Video. You can then select any of these templates as you will be editing them anyways eventually. You will click on a template, then click the button that says Use Template, and here's where you will put some information. You will want to add a headline and a script for your video. So you can either write a script of your own, or you can get a script written for you completely for free. I'm guessing you want the free option, so I'll just show you that now. So first, just search for any article on any topic you'd like on Google. For this example, I'll just choose to do the topic of making money online. So I'll search top 10 ways to make money online into Google, and then I'll just select this article here. Next, you want to review the information in the article to see if it's adequate. If it checks out, then you will want to head over to this next website called quillbot.com. But before I show you this website, make sure to subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Quillbot is a website that will allow you to paste any text into this box here and paraphrase the information into new original text. This will allow you to avoid any copyright issues when using any information you get from articles online. So what you'll do is copy the information from the article you selected and paste it into this box to create new original text. But you can only enter about 115 characters at a time. So you'll just copy one section, paste it here, click paraphrase, then copy this new original text into a Google document or any blank document until you have finished the entire article. Once you have your entire script completed, you can then paste that into this box here and click this button for InVideo to formulate your video. You can edit the images, change the text, add music, and more. So that brings us to the end of today's video. If you'd like to watch another video on how to make money online, click this video right here.